Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm breaking down the different types of computers in a way that's super easy to understand. Whether you're a total beginner or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. First up, we have desktops. These are the big, boxy computers that usually sit on or under your desk. Desktops are known for their power and upgradability. You can swap out parts like the graphics card or add more storage, which makes them great for gaming or heavy-duty tasks like video editing. Next, we've got laptops. Now, laptops are basically portable desktops. They come with a built-in screen, keyboard, and trackpad, and you can take them anywhere. Laptops are perfect for students, travelers, or anyone who needs a computer on the go. Plus, they're getting more powerful every year, so you can do pretty much anything on a good laptop these days. Then, there are tablets. Tablets are like oversized smartphones without the calling feature. They're super portable and great for media consumption like watching videos, reading, or even light gaming. Tablets with stylus support are also fantastic for artists and designers. Think of them as the middle ground between a laptop and a smartphone. Speaking of smartphones, let's not forget about them. These mini computers in your pocket have come a long way. Nowadays, you can do almost anything on a smartphone that you can do on a computer, from browsing the web to editing photos and videos. They're incredibly versatile and always within reach. Now let's talk about workstations. These are high-performance computers designed for professional use. Think engineers, architects, and video editors. Workstations have powerful processors, loads of RAM, and specialized graphics cards to handle complex tasks and large files. If you're doing serious work, a workstation is the way to go. Lastly, we have servers. Servers are computers that provide data and services to other computers over a network. They're the backbone of the internet, powering websites, online games, and cloud services. You probably won't need a server at home, but it's good to know they exist. So there you have it. A quick rundown of the different types of computers: desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, workstations, and servers. Each has its own strengths and best use cases. I hope this helps you understand which type of computer might be right for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.